Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a door handle on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Begin by removing the interior door panel. You'll typically find screws in the armrest, door pull, and sometimes behind a small cover. Gently pry off the trim pieces and disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows or locks. This step provides access to the handle's internal components. Now that the door panel is off, you can see the handle mechanism. Identify the rods or cables connected to the back of the handle. These typically have plastic clips that you can carefully pop off. Next, locate the 2 or 3 mounting bolts or screws that secure the handle to the door frame. Use a socket wrench or screwdriver to remove these fasteners. Once detached, the old exterior door handle should slide out from the door's exterior. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully slide the new exterior door handle into the opening on the door, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the 2 or 3 mounting bolts or screws, tightening them securely but not excessively. Then, reattach the rods or cables to the new handle's connection points. Make sure the plastic clips snap firmly into place, ensuring a secure connection for proper operation. Finally, it's time to reassemble the door. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the interior door panel, ensuring each one clicks into place. Carefully align the door panel with its clips and screw holes, then gently push it back into position. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces. Before finishing, thoroughly test the new exterior door handle from both the outside and inside to confirm it latches and opens smoothly. This ensures a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.